With him, after drinking so much water for you, he'll be the next RWB Italia customer.
Good morning, friends, and welcome back to a new video. In the previous video I showed you the second Italian RWB, and for you a week has passed. For me it's been about 8 hours, just enough time to sleep, and we're back on board the M4 to go see the third RWB built in Italy. We're on our way, but I don't know the town though. A sports car group dealership is located somewhere between Castelfranco Veneto and Padua, about an hour from my place. Joliuk invited me to the build of his 997, and who am I to say no? Obviously I have the time, it's during the day, so heading to sports car group. But first, I'd like to know what you think about these Porsche RWBs. I see the comments under the various reels, the various videos, and there are so many criticisms. They say the car falls apart, the car is made of silicone here and there, and it's terrible. I'll tell you my opinion. If I have to go to the track, clearly I'm not going to buy myself a Porsche RWB. I'm not going to have a Porsche RWB made for me. For the track, there are much better options. You go with a Cayman Gran Turismo, 4 a Gran Turismo, 3 or something else. But if you want to take a Sunday drive to have an exclusive, different, personalized car, I'd say why not? This is the last RWB I'm going to show you. Actually, the 4th RWB I'll show you will be mine. I don't know the year or if it'll happen, but you never know in life. Tell me what you think about the RWB world and these kinds of extreme modifications. The event is public, so if you want, you can go and see it. It's a 2-day event like before, so I'll go today and tomorrow. And that's it, I'll show you this Porsche 997. But before going to the event, let's stop by the pizzeria for a moment, because duty comes before pleasure, and also because the oven, if I don't clean it, it won't clean itself. Some people might wonder why I almost never show the pizzeria here on YouTube, on social media, but honestly I don't really know. This is real work for me, and it takes up almost every day, even when I'm at home. I still need to come here to handle things. So I try to separate the two things, work and videos or hobbies. Yeah, so I don't know, nothing. This is the oven. This is what allows me to have everything I have, basically. Thank you, oven, thank you. People who come to eat pizza, if you pass through Pieve di Soligo Pizzeria La Terrazza, come visit me and I'll make you a pizza. Now that I'm here, I'll quickly show you the pizzeria. This is one room, then here we have another room. We're only open in the evening, you know. Only in the evening. Here we have the terrace. In fact, that's where the name comes from, the terrace. Over there we have the Prosecco hills down there. And then we also have the outdoor terrace, which I'll show you really quickly from here. There you go. Okay, that's fine. One last Easter egg. If you go to the bathroom, the women's bathroom, okay, hold on a second, then you close the door, women's bathroom, okay? They're looking at me? Nothing. Just a little silly thing I wanted to add. Aside from a few stupid paintings, nothing. Come on, let's go to the event now. Otherwise, we'll end up being late. We've arrived at Sports Car Group. Tony at the reception. Wow, what a sunny day. Yeah, that's because I'm the one shining. Exactly. And the guy's interested in my car?
Hello, good morning.
I don't know if I'll ever sell it to him.
Hello, I'll give you €7.
€8.50. It's sold.
With a full tank.
Well, why not? Anyway, guys, there are a lot of nice vehicles here. I'll show them to you later. Now let's go in. In theory, Joe hasn't even arrived yet, so, well, we'll see. This is the area where the build will take place today. This is Joe's 997. Alright, let's wait for both Akira and Joe. Let's see how it goes. The 997 is beautiful. It's almost a shame to cut it. This is the back. That's Daniele, a specimen of Daniele.
Fresh as a daisy.
Super fresh.
I'm feeling awesome.
Joe shouldn't have made any mechanical modifications. I see the original exhaust. I don't know about the rest. I think everything else is original anyway. This one has a super spoiler, I have to say honestly. And to think that after the car will end up more or less here and more or less here. Crazy. Those are the rims. Also BTS brand. Very nice. And they're basically the 997 replicas. Now with good veil. Let's go check out the cars around here.
The car is to be done at RWB.
Next time, let's go pick it. Anyway, I like the Gran Turismo 2 here. The 996 drives me crazy. beautiful, 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 beautiful price. It'll be at least 180.
Maybe even a little more.
993, nice. 9934S. This one is also a real bomb. Serious track stuff, sold. Ferrari, beautiful. I'll show you the cars outside. There, I see a nice flashy Supra. I wonder whose it is. Tony's SV, the third one, the guy from before. If you're interested, the Boxster is also for sale. Another 993 4S price, negotiable. What a shame, what a shame. They made us wait, but they finally arrived among us. Hi, Joe. And we've unlocked Bagel too. Akira is already at work, as you can see. His methods are quite rough. Following up, now we have Joe tasked with cutting the fender. Wheel arches cut. Now you can see the nice holes that are ready to accommodate the new wide fenders. Now he has installed the new big spoiler. Nice, nice and big. I've seen bigger. The one on the 964 is much bigger. See how aggressive it is? He doesn't hold back for anyone. Now it's time to install the wide end fenders, and I think that's it for today's work. Compared to the 964, there's much less work. The widenings are installed. Now it has completely changed its appearance. I'll show it to you in detail. That's it for today. We'll meet again right here tomorrow for the end of the build. New day, same place. Here we are, ready for the end of this Porsche 997. The front splitter is already installed, we're just missing the canards and an additional rubber splitter. And Akira's signature on the shirt is done too.
Usually they're not painted, but I chose to paint them, so it's something new and very different, never seen before. It's a small detail though. Wow, it's different.
Canards installed. As Joe said, they've been painted the same color as the car. Let me know if you preferred them black or if this is better. Everything's good, but when it's time to eat, you have to eat, you know? Or not.
Oh, yes.
Guys, soon with Master Mackay, we will announce that him specifically.
Me. Him. If he keeps drinking water like that for you, he'll be the next RWB client. The next one or the one after that?
Yeah, the one after 4, which is the perfect number.
But maybe I also have 5 ahead of me.
Yes, 5. Today I sold some. Mirko kept repeating it, I need and want to do it. Then we also learned how to fix them, so it's your turn.
It's my turn. It's my turn.
Mignolino.
Alright. Deal sealed.
Well, that's how it is. RWB is like that.
It's very fast. Finally the stands are off, and being low it's a whole different story. Show the height too. I think we've got some problems here, huh? We'll see how we manage to get out. While waiting for the car bumper to dry, he decided to reupholster his suitcase, which cost 6,000 or 7,000 euros. Alright. Nakai basically has screws, lots of little screws in his suitcase. Everything: cigarettes, a stuffed squirrel. Let's just say he's not the most organized person I've ever met. Hey! It's finally done. In the meantime, let me show you the car in 360 degrees. Tell me what you think in general about the color of the kit. Of everything. I have to say that it looks good in person. It's nice. Do you prefer the 997, 964 or 993 model? Let me know. I already know the insults that will be under this video about the silicone, about not silicone. The world is beautiful because of its diversity and everyone's unique taste. It looks great in person, guys. You have to see it in real life. Beautiful, beautiful. Top. That's it for today's video. Guys, we'll see each other in a few months. Just a few months, I swear. And there will be an adventure you can't miss. Bye.